Welcome to Smash or Splash. We're going to ask you a few questions. If you smash the button and get it correct, you get a point. If you get it wrong, the person next to you is going to splash a cake on your face. Are you guys ready for the questions?
Yeah!
Okay, let's begin. But first, you guys need a new shirt. Okay, the topic is presidents. Okay, so these are super easy questions. It's just for fun, so let's have fun. And let's begin with the first question. Who was the first president of the United States of America?
George Washington.
Yes! Kikin,
Yes,
you get a
Can
cake?
I do it?
Of course. Kikin, hands on your back. Kikin, hands on your back.
Look at the camera! Look at
Eso para enfrente, Kikin, para
the
enfrente.
camera!
Assistant! Where's the assistant? Please! Okay, you guys ready for the next question?
Yes!
Okay, the second question. Super easy. You need to be fast if you want to win this. Next question. Who was the elected president?
Joe Biden! I touched it first. He did this. Joe Biden.
Okay, but Kikin, you need to wait until I finish the question. You didn't, Dana and Kikin didn't wait for me until I finished the question. So you guys both
No, I
get
already got smacked.
cake on your face.
But since I already did, can you
No. Okay, one. Volteate para acá, poquito. One, two, go. Oh! Oh my God! Go! Clean yourself. Clean yourself. Now it's Kikin's turn to get smashed. Come forward. Voltea para acá. Despacito, Ana. Ready? One. Kikin, hands on your back. 1, 2, 3. Límpiate. Límpiate. It's okay. Límpiate. So, are you guys gonna wait for the question to finish?
Yes, we are.
Assistant. More whipped cream. Ready for the next question? Are you guys having fun? Okay, next question. Super easy question. What is Donald Trump's political party? Who pressed the button first? Let's one more time. Let's rewind the tape. Political party. No, it was Dana. I think it was Dana. Maybe she could get it wrong. I don't know. What is Donald Trump political party? What? Republican. Yes, Kikin. Turn this way, Kikin. Okay, dale. Voltea para acá. 1, 2, 3. Ahí está la towel. Next question. This is a tricky one. Maybe you guys know this, maybe you don't. What is the name of the president's airplane?
That's right, them presidents.
What is the name? You have 5 seconds. 5. No, Kikin. I'm gonna give you a chance to answer the question. If you don't get it right, you both get smashed. The question is, what is the name of the president's airplane?
American airplane?
Incorrect. You guys both get smashed in your face. You guys wanna know? You guys wanna know the answer?
What?
Air Force One. Yeah. Okay. Wait. You guys gonna do it at both at the same time. Start.
Hurry. That's good.
In your face. Ready? 1, 2, go. Assistant.
Nice, Alex. Yeah.
Okay, that was because you guys are being too nice. Don't be too nice. Okay, next question. How old do you have to be to become? You didn't wait until I finish. I'm sorry.
Today I'm gonna show you how to cook pancakes. So first thing you do is this, and then you say you want pancake.
Sure.
And then you turn off the stove, and then you say put your face forward, and then you do this. Eat the pancake. Oh my God, your face!
Already? You gotta give me the towel, please.
Oh my God, I get the top. So now subscribe for more tutorials how to make pancakes. Do you want to do more?
No.
Okay, back to the video. Okay, next question. In which city is the White House located?
I know.
Did you wait until I finished the question?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Somewhere in Washington, D.C.
Okay, Washington D.C. I think it's correct. Okay. Kiki. Kiki. Tana, you wanna say something before you do that?
Yes, so this is how you make a tiki. But how I do something. This is how you do something. Turn on so you make your sister roast. Then you take it out. If you want more tutorials, go subscribe.
Well, that again.
This channel, subscribe.
Okay, next question. What is the name of the elected vice president? You have 5 seconds. The vice president. 5, 4, 1.
Is it Joe Biden?
Okay, Kikin, so you want to give it a try? Okay, just take a guess.
I'm gonna make this last one.
You guys don't know it? So that means that you guys both get smashy. Okay.
Why is this so Oh my God.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay, we have a new contestant.
So good. Yeah.
And we have new rules. Because she's tiny. I see that you're very excited, Kikin. Nicole, are you excited?
Of course this will happen.
Okie dokie. So first question. This goes for Nicole. Who is the president of the United States? Who? Donald Trump? Correcto! You don't get a cake, you get a point. Okay, Kikin. A question for you, my brother. What was Thomas Jefferson doing the night when he became president?
What?
Who's
You don't know, Kikin?
You're just making me lose because she's little.
Incorrect! You get a cake!
I'm taking this. I'm looking.
Okay, we have a question for very excited Nicole. Nicole, quédate ahí. Ready for the next question, Nicole? Where does the president live? White House! Yay! Okay, now a question for Dana Banana. Who was the president before Donald Trump?
I know, Obama.
Press the president.
Obama.
Your mama?
No, Obama.
Hey,
Obama.
your mama.
No, I said Obama.
You messing with my mama?
No, Obama.
Your mama. Your mama. I need all the contestants at the floor. Go, Kiki. We're going to announce the winner. Okay, so the winner, niños, atención. The winner is Nicole. That's fine. You guys are gonna get all presents.
I'm going Thursday.
Okay, you guys ready for your prizes?
That Nico goes first.
Okay, Nicole, you ready for your presents? Oh, close your eyes. Ready for your presents? Open your eyes.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Yay!
Yay! This was
Thank you
not.
guys. And also, I have a surprise for you waiting outside. Let's go! Let's go! Vámonos outside! Outside! Yeah! Vámonos! Vámonos! Right here. Okay, just wait right there. I have a surprise for you guys. I have a surprise. Wait right there. Vamos a asustar a los niños. Vamos a asustarlos. Okay, I'm gonna scare the kids. They're over there. I'm gonna wear the mask and voy a poner la máscara. Y los voy a asustar. Vamos a asustarlos. Vengan, vamos.
Thanks for watching Cumber Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button and the like button. And check out our merch. Check out our merch. Merch. Our videos. Merch. Like and subscribe. Like. Subscribe